While holding the detector above the metal-free ground, pull and hold the switch in the spring-loaded reset position. You will hear a series of fast clicks. Continue holding the switch until the fast clicks change to a double click. Return the search head to the ground and sweep side to side, close to the ground without touching it. The detector is now acquiring the soil characteristics. If the procedure is successful, you will hear the double click change to a fast series of clicks. Immediately lift up the detector, and at the end of the clicks, you will hear a single beep. Note, the system then returns to its normal confirmation click every 4 seconds. Sensitivity should now be turned to maximum for operation. Sweep the ground again to confirm no alarms are triggered by the soil at a normal operating distance. If there is an alarm, lower the sensitivity slightly and try again until the signal stops. After a successful soil compensation procedure has been completed, the detector is ready for operations. Remember, each time the detector is switched on, the soil compensation procedure must be repeated. If, while performing the soil compensation procedure, the double click changes to compensation abort alarm, the procedure was not performed successfully and must be repeated. If unsuccessful, then verify that the area is completely clear of metal objects and perform the soil compensation procedure again. The detector is now optimized for operation.